Hey, I'm Jamie from Major. We're going to show you a quick feature we built over the last week, and it's on the open web. You don't need to register. It's actually going to feel like a game. It's really fun, mostly when the AI is not dark. So if you go to artist.major.dev, we're using OpenAI's GPT-3 and DALL-E models to generate original songs based on user prompts. We call it Muse, and it's throughout the UI in this kind of purple button and icon. So if I tap Muse, it's going to ask you, a bunch of questions. You can cycle through. You can answer whatever you want if you don't like the questions, but they're just to inspire you. What's your last text say? I don't know about that. It says chili or pasta. That is true. That is what it says. Wild lets me dial up how spicy the answer is, but we'll keep that off and click generate. We're going to shoot this up as a prompt to DaVinci, and it's going to return an original song with title, verse and lyrics, and cover art. So here we go. When I was younger, I would always beg my mom to make chili or pasta. I would help her with the cooking, and we would listen to music while we worked. Now that I'm older, I still love chili and pasta. I cook it myself sometimes. And it always bring back memories of my mom and I dancing in the kitchen. Sometimes it gets rhyming, sometimes it doesn't get rhyming. Now, if I go back to Muse, I can keep going with unblock, and it just writes in the same creative territory. Yeah, so the story continues. It has some memory of the creative direction. Now that I'm older, I realize how lucky I was to have a mom who loved to cook. This is beautiful. Now, if I want to take it in a totally different creative direction, I can click New Idea. Lost or found, we'll say, lost my keys, actually. This is what I think of. Once upon a time, and has to take a totally different creative direction in the next set of lyrics. Now, if I pop out, and this is all public, you're going to see the song that we created called Cooking with Mom. You'll see we have some original cover art. I can pop in, get a closer look. And the last bit we've made here is this call to DALL-E. I'm going to click and generate original artwork. We're going to extract some data about the song, send it up to DALL-E, and then get new images that we could use for our own inspiration or share on the web. Yeah, this is perfect. And maybe I want to add some notes like cooking with mom. I can save that into the song. So this is mostly just really fun when the AI doesn't go dark to see what it comes up with. So you can try it today. You don't even need to make an account. Just keep in mind that everything that you make is visible to everyone else. Cool. Can't wait to see what you guys create.